Hello, thank you for joining me today here at the Computer Workshop and Tech Talk with Terry. We are talking about CertNexus today. You're probably like, okay, Terry, who's CertNexus? I agree. Who are they? They're new in the certification game. So, as vendors like Microsoft and IBM and AWS and all those folks put out certifications, CertNexus is a certification body who is vendor neutral, much like CompTIA. They built vendor neutral certifications. Now, the what makes CertNexus a little different than the other vendor neutral certifications is theirs is all centered around emerging technologies and some basic security certifications. So they build their certifications to the ANSI and ISO standards. They fulfill the 8570 and 8140 that is required by the DoD, and they also build to standards for NIST and NICE in the cybersecurity space. So they have done the tests against all of the standards that are um, across the Americas and around the world. So they, definitely have some depth to their certifications. And it's really cool because as data is growing in the business world, I mean, we've collected data right for years and years and years, and now it is one of the fastest growing areas of the workforce. It's not really a problem now to get the data out of in the organization or out of the organization. It's the personnel that are proficient to help the organizations do this, right? To sort out their data and kind of work through it. I should say it's kind of a cool certification because there's none other that are out there just like this one, just dealing with even the data ethics part of it. So today, instead of me just standing here telling you all about CertNexus, I thought I would take you out to our website and show you how you can learn more about the CertNexus certifications right from the TC Workshop website. So hold on a second. I'm going to share my screen. It's just going to take me a second to do this. So let me get out here to the Computer Workshop site. So as you can see, the Computer Workshop is just www.tcworkshop.com. We are sitting on our home page. If you ever need to get back to the home page, you can just click on our logo, easy enough. Down here in the center of the page are all of the vendors who we are authorized training partners of. And you can see down here at the end, this CertNexus badge. This is the cert information. If you click on that badge, this is the information about the CertNexus certifications. So you can earn each of these badges individually. And if you want to know what's in them, you go down to this cool chart. And I think this is really neat the way that they put their certifications together. So let me zoom out here just a little bit so we can get the whole path. They started theirs to have 3 levels within the organization. So you have a think level, which would be your leaders of the organization, a build level, the doers or practitioners, as you can see, and the secure level of the organization. And then at the top, as you run down through the think, build, and secure, we go through cybersecurity, Internet of Things, data science, artificial intelligence, and data ethics. So if you want to see, like, hey, what's in this DS Biz class, you can just click easy enough right on that badge, and it'll take you out to actually kind of a scheduling portal that is on the Computer Workshop site. So each one of our classes comes up like this. It has a short description, a course content sheet, the location in which you would like to take your training, and then, of course, class dates that are coming up that would be available to you. But you're like, okay, I see the short description. What else is in this class? Is it for me? Well, if you click on this PDF image here of this content, it will open up the PDF and you can see, oh, this is a 4-hour course, so I only need to spend 4 hours of my time. I have the short description, but I also have, is there any prereqs? If there are, it would say it here. who are the leaders, or who are the who are the leaders? Who is the audience for this certification? So you could take a look here, and then exactly what am I going to learn is down under the topics. And as you move through this chart, you can easily click on other ones and see the same thing. So you just repeat it and go back down through, see the course content sheet, what the course description is, the prerequisites, the target audience, and then, of course, the topics. I think it's really neat that they have all these certifications available. And the cool thing is that you can take the class, you can practice for the test, and then we can get you a test voucher and you can easily test. So it doesn't take that long, as you can see that, like, the top level are maybe 4 hours to 1 day. And then when you get down into some of these other practitioner courses, you might be looking at, 3, 4 days for the course. So you're taking one course, one test, prepping for one test, and getting a certification in an area that Microsoft says, hey, there's going to be over 250,000 people in the next by 2025 working in this emerging technology space. So when we think about Internet of Things, data science, artificial intelligence, those certifications are right here ready for the practitioners to get certified today. If you have any questions, give us a call here at this 800 639 3535 or visit our website. As I've shown you today, a lot of answers are right here. Thanks for joining me with Tech Talk and Terry. If this was informative and helped you out, please hit the like and share below. Thanks so much. Have a great day.